My name is Solunke, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Walchand Institute of Technology, Solapur. I welcome you all in today's session of web scraping. Web scraping is a very important process usually in the data gathering step. By the end of this session, student will be able to define the web scraping and explain its importance, understand the web scraping process and the tools used for web scraping. Now, what is web scraping? It is a software technique for extracting the information from website in the automated fashion and storing this information in our local system in our desired format. For example, here you can see we can first extract the web pages from the different website, and we can apply the web scraping process to cleanse the data, to parse the data, and the parsed data we can store in our desired format in our local system, either in the database table, in the CSV file, in the Word file or in the Excel file. Using the website, we can extract data from website that does not have any API. Some of the government website do not have their API to extract their data, but data is important. So in that case, without API, we can extract the data by applying web scraping process. Or suppose we want to extract huge amount of information from the website, which we cannot do through the API due to rate limiting. Social media website like Facebook, Twitter, they are having their API, but they are not allowed to extract large amount of data through this API due to the rate limiting. What is rate limiting? It is a controlling strategy that is having a constraint that put the limits on the total number of requests or rate of requests to be sent to the web server for accessing data in a specific time frame. What is the purpose of this rate limiting? The purpose is to avoid the network traffic, to control the overloading of web server and to avoid the denial of service attack. But using web scraping, we can do all these things. Next, why web scraping is required? In everyday situation, we can find ourselves where you need to extract data from the web, and the rate of data generation is always increasing from the last 5 years. Here you can see from 2015 to 2019, the rate of data generation is always increasing. So we have to make the benefit of this data for different purpose, and Python is one of the popular language for extracting the data by applying this web scraping process for different purpose. For example, suppose you want to launch the promo, or if you want to compare the product prices in the market for online shopping, you want to develop the data science project and the digital services, or to predict the movie in the next weekend, to complete the assignment provided by the teacher, to learn the recent technology in the market, to do the online shopping, or to find the desired restaurant or hotels. So for all that purpose, we need the data, and it can be extracted by using web scraping process in Python. Another use of the web scraping is that suppose you are working on a project where you want to compare the prices of the different mobile phones by using the different website. Here you need to extract the phone prices, phone names and the rating of this phone for comparing the phone of the different companies. So for that, we require to do this task manually. We need to extract this data manually, and it is very tedious and require a lot of time. In this case, web scraping plays the important role, where by writing few lines of code, we can extract the data as per our desired format in a very quick second. Now, issues of web scraping in our daily life. Dynamic price monitoring. Here we can collect the data from different online shopping websites, and we can monitor the prices, how these prices are changing with respect to time, and accordingly we can make our profitable pricing decisions. It can allow the company to find out the current condition of the product prices in the market, and accordingly the companies can get benefit, or it can overrank the other companies in the market. The companies can find out the competitors' status using this dynamic price monitoring. Extracting the job posting and internship from the government website like Naukri.com or any company website, we can extract the job posting and internship. We can gather the emails. Most of the companies gather the personal emails in order to complete their business marketing. They can target the specific audience for their marketing through the emails. Now extracting the offers and discount from the deal of the day websites, crawl the forums and social websites in order to find out the trending topics in the social media. In the research and development, the extracted data from the website can be related to the weather forecasting, general information, statistics. So all these information can be used for the analysis purpose, research and development purpose. In order to find out some meaningful insight from this given data and use this data for improving the business process or in order to improve the research and development process. News and content monitoring. Through this, we can extract the news and find out the current topics in that news so that whether this news can affect the market, for example, stock market prices and so on. Now, what are the advantages of web scraping over using the API? Web scraping is not rate limited. It is free from rate limited, means there is no limit to extract the number of the large amount of data or to send the large amount of request to the web server. Anonymously, without providing our identity, without providing our login credential, we can access the website and gather the data. Some websites do not have API, some data is not accessible through API, but using web scraping we can do all these things, and there are many more applications and advantages. Now, what are the different content on the website? HTML, it is a page, one of the oldest, easiest and the most popular method to upload the information on the web. HTML5 is new HTML standard which gained popularity with the mobile devices. XML is another popular way to upload your information on the web. CSS is mainly used for the consistent presentation of the data using cascaded style sheet. API interface, it is now becoming a common practice to extract the information from the website. PDF is also widely used to upload the information and generating the reports. JavaScript object notation or JSON is a lightweight and popular format used for information exchange on the website. Now, let us understand the web scraping process. There are two basic things to consider before setting up the web scraping process. First, we need to understand the target data on the internet, and accordingly we have to finalize the list of the website which can provide this target data. Once you understood the target data and finalize the list of the website, you need to design the web scraping process, and the steps involved are: first, a web request is sent to the target website to collect the required data. Second, the information retrieved from the target website in either HTML format or it will be in the XML document format. The retrieved information can be parsed using several types of the parser based on the data format. If it is a HTML web page, then we can extract the data of this web page by using HTML parser. If it is XML, then we can use the XML parser. Parsing is nothing but a technique to read, validate and extract the information from the available web document. First step is the parsed data or cleaned data can be stored in the desired format in our local machine, either in the database table, CSV file, Word file, or we can launch this information on the smartphone. Tools available for web scraping. Some of the most widely known tools used for web scraping are urllib.request, Beautiful Soap, Scrappy, a complete framework, Autoscraper, RE, that is a regular expression, and Web Scraper Chrome extension. Among these, urllib.request, it is used for extracting the web pages, for accessing the web pages, and Beautiful Soap is to clean the data from the extracted web page. So both are available in Python programming languages. So using these two tools, we can do the web scraping process. Other are also important, but mostly urllib.request and Beautiful Soap are very popular tools. urllib.request only for extracting the web page and Beautiful Soap for cleaning the web page data. There are some important features of Beautiful Soap. It is an efficient tool for dissecting the HTML or XML document and extracting the information from this document. It has a powerful set of built-in method for navigating, searching and modifying a parse tree. It contains the parser, that can support both HTML and XML document. It can convert all the incoming document to the Unicode automatically. It convert all the incoming document, outgoing document into the UTF-8 automatically, Unified Text Format 8 automatically. Now think and write the answer for this question. Which of the following libraries is used to extract the web page? 4 options: Beautiful Soap, Pandas, NumPy, Request. Here the correct answer is A, Beautiful Soap. Now what is the difference between web browser and web scraper? The web browser can only use for crawling and displaying the data on our monitor screen. But web scraper, it is used to extract the data and store this data in our local machine in the desired format. Now web scraping consideration. Before applying this process of web scraping, we need to read and understand the legal information along with the items conditions mentioned in the website. Terms and conditions mentioned in the website. We have to read the legal constraint notices, copyright information, trademark material, patented information. While scraping the data from the website, we should not cause any damage to the website. We should not cause any security issue to the website. Otherwise, it will be the violation of the rules. So we have to avoid this. We have to only access the information for legal purpose. Now these are the references. Thank you.